going on, guys? This is Brandon with Octane Driven. I'm here at work getting ready to do some install videos on my Focus ST. I've got my CPE-Rear motor mount. I'm going to be installing it, showing you guys what to do. And I've also got my Performance-Torque Gusset bar I'm going to be putting on also. Alright, here's your rear motor mount. You're going to have to take this bolt off and this one out for the motor mount. And then you've got 3 here for the bracket that holds it on. And you'll need a 15mm for the bolts and a 10mm Allen head for the center bolt. Alright, there's the factory mount compared to the aftermarket one. You can tell it's a whole lot beefier. And the aftermarket one will come with 2 spacers to put on, one on each side. Alright, there you go. Rear motor mount is installed. Super easy. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts to take out. You're done. Alright, I'm going to be installing the Performance-Torque Gusset bar. You're going to take out your front control arm bolt here. Take this one out. This one. And this one. So it's 4 bolts, pretty easy. They're 18mm, and you'll need a 22mm wrench to go on the back side of the control arm to hold the nut on both sides, and then the front ones will just come right out. Alright, now all 4 bolts are out. We'll put the bar up and we'll start with the front 2 bolts, put them in, and then we'll start on the rear. Alright, now I've got the brace on and it's up snug with an impact, not tight. You've got to torque these. The front bolts are 115 foot-pounds plus 90 degrees. You'll do that on both front bolts. The rear one, no one seems to come up with a good spec for them, so I'm just going to do the same thing. It's not going to hurt anything. Overall, I'm super pleased with this. I mean, this thing is really clean, especially to be handmade. It fits great, and I can't wait to try it out and see how much it helps. I know a lot of people brag on it, so here shortly we'll find out how it does.
Good old filter tightness.